Hey everybody, welcome to Wisconsin Wonder Garden. In today's video, we're going to be doing our second of 5 giveaways on our run up to 10,000 subscribers. I want to thank you all so much for tuning in and supporting the channel. So, since we've now reached 9,400 subscribers, I'm going to announce our next lucky winner. Angie B, congratulations, you've won some plants here at the channel. I'm gonna reply to your comment down below. Please get into contact with me so we can set up the final details for this giveaway. If you're not a winner in today's video, don't worry. All you have to do is comment down below and we'll pick another random winner when we reach 9,600 subscribers, which should be within this week. Guys, I'm so thankful. Things are looking really good for the channel right now. The YouTube algorithm is starting to pick up more of our videos and we're able to reach more and more people in the gardening community, and I'm so thankful for that. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay tuned and we'll see you in the next video.